She's a 76% free throw shooter on the season, but that's her third miss tonight. And she makes one of two. Still a chance for the Huskies.
Big time.
She did it at the end of the first half. But the officials are saying, hold on. The officials are saying, hold on. But clearly it looked like that went in before time expired. But the officials are saying, back off. They want to take another look. But Doris, I do believe that clearly went in before time expired.
Certainly looked like it. And Dennis DeMayo get another look, re-rack it.
But my goodness, Sue Bird at the end of the first half, a tremendous three-pointer, and then the poise to go the length of the floor, create space, and make that shot.
Well, she drained a three earlier.
See the clock. Clearly.
Ah, yes, sir.
The shot is off. And yes, it is official. Once again, the Connecticut Huskies are the Big East Tournament champions.
And look at those two.
Shea Ralph, her status uncertain, severely injured her knee in the first half. Great effort by Muffet McGraw and the Fighting Irish, but Connecticut would not be denied, avenging one of their two losses on the year. A solid, solid performance by the Connecticut Huskies.
And this is as good a game as you can ask for in women's college basketball. Give credit to Muffet McGraw and her team and their ability to come in here and play poised. But how about Sue Bird? Sticks a big three.